Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day today. Hey, how are you doing, guys? Just wanted to come back with another job lead. A U.S. bank is currently hiring, guys. Start discovering how you'll thrive. Explore what's possible in a career at U.S. Bank. And so, as I'm scrolling through here, guys, you can scroll down here. It says find jobs that match your strengths. The way we work, how we work as an organization, directly reflects our commitment to building meaningful relationships with the customers. We strive and driving team collaborations across the company. So they have on-site, they have hybrid, they have remote positions. At US Bank here, it says we give you the tools you need to discover your perfect job match and the freedom and support to take your career to the next level. We have banking, operations, branch banking, corporate functions and risk, credit, underwriting and lending, customer contact center, executive, investment and asset management, insurance. We have sales, relationship and management, students, technology, digital, and wealth management. So if you were to click on any one of these boxes, it will pretty much take you over to another portion of what we're looking for. Or you can go at the top and click careers, homes, about us, benefits, diversity, equity and inclusion, students, veterans, events, accessibility. So I'm just going to click on customer center and see what pops up. Okay, join our customer contact. You can see this little box that pops up to here. It just gives you an opportunity to see it, like if you want to talk to someone or find a job or ask a question, you can just click this little button here and speak in there freely and let them know what you're looking for. It's a US Bank careers chatbot. So I just wanted to share that with you really quick. So say for instance, if you wanted to look for remote positions, these are the remote positions that pop up. These are your job categories, your business area, your country, your state, your city, your schedule, your job type, remote. So they have customer service associate, bilingual. This is remote. In United States. Let's see. So I was just scrolling through here, guys, and I wanted to share this job lead with you that U.S. Bank is currently hiring. If you want to join their talent community, you just hit not ready to apply, share your contact information with us to get the latest jobs. So just come in here. You can even type here at the top and type in remote if you're looking for remote jobs, and this will give you 145 results to sort by in different states, towns, cities, and country based on when I type in the word remote. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. Careers.usbank.com. I'm going to put it in the description of this video. That way you can come through here and take a look at what's available at US Bank. So super congrats to whoever gets one of these roles, guys. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. Thank you so much, guys, for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You are amazing. I love you. I appreciate you so much. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, friends.